Yo, I know it's been a while since I did a trading update video because a lot been going on, like for real, for real. So let's just get straight into it, man. No more futures trading for me. No more Topstep for me. It's over. It's over. I can't do it no more. I can't. Like, I can't. You know what I'm saying? Like, multiple reasons, man. So, first, the obvious. I'm a swing trader, man. I am a swing trader. I don't like scalping. Like, when you first start trading, like your first year or so, you go through the motions of trying to figure out, like, what kind of trader you are. And that first year, I was like, nah, like, scalping is not for me. Scalping is not for me. I don't have the time. And I don't have the patience of the roller coaster that comes with scalping. So scalping ain't for me. So that's why I went to swing trading. And with futures, you can't swing trade. You can't. Most prop firms with futures, you have to close your trades the same day. So that's the biggest thing for me is that I'm not a scalper. I don't have the time in the day to be a scalper. I have too much going on. I can't just sit at my desk and just at my computer and just trade all day. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, like, I'm just tired of all these prop firms, man. I'm tired of paying all this money to prop firms. I'm tired of following their meticulous rules, man. Like, all the money that I put into taking challenges, taking combines, all the money that I'm supposed to have gotten back from companies that have shut down, I could have taken all that money and put it into a regulated live account and be trading happily right now. Happily. But I kept going with these prop firms and I'm over them, man. I'm over all these rules. I'm over all the crap that comes with it. Like Topstep. I've been trading with Topstep the past few months. And I've taken a break for a while, like trying to figure out whether I'm going to continue to trade with them or just stop trading prop firms altogether, including futures, like futures altogether, right? So here are the issues I've had with Topstep. Number one is I don't know how this kept happening, but I kept passing my combine on the day of my rebuild. So what was happening is I would still get charged because they don't go by the actual weekday. They go by the trading day. You feel me? So I was passing my combine on the day of my rebuild based on the regular day, but I still had to pay to rebuild because it was basically the next day according to trading days. So I don't know how that kept happening. I don't understand the first time I passed the combines because I took like a week or so to just figure out just a platform, and then I reset it and I actually passed it pretty quickly. But although you reset it, your rebuild day is still the same. So, but the second time, like I'm not gonna lie, I got the Express account and I did fail it. Took another combine, and yeah, I passed it on the rebuild day. I took too long. They have like a 48 or 72 hour time frame in which you can reach out to them and request a refund or whatever that is. I took too long to reach out to them, and basically I ended up paying the rebuild, but also paying for my Express account as well. So that was stupid to me. I just feel like good customer service. You could have at least, I don't know, given me another combine or giving me a discount on the activation fee. Like that's very stupid. It doesn't make any sense to me to have to pay for a rebuild to be able to trade the combine again and then pay the activation fee for the Express account and not be able to actually trade on that combine that I just paid for because I have the Express account. That's stupid, you know? So that happened like with my first pass of the combine. Like I said, I did fail that the Express account. I did violate. So I ended up taking the combine again, and it happened again. Like it happened again. Like how does that work? How did it happen again? So that kind of like, I don't know. It kind of made me a bit angry. I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. So I ended up, I'm not gonna lie, I failed that Express account as well. It's because I'm a swing trader, man. So me trying to transition into being a scalper, it wasn't working out. And I was kind of figuring, I was like, maybe it's the instrument that I'm using, because one contract size, it was a 50K account. one contract size. It was a lot. It was pretty heavy. So I was a little frustrated. So I was like, let me take a break off from trading because I gotta figure something out. So I took a break off, and I was like, okay, maybe I need a bigger account because of the instrument that I'm trading. So then they came out with Topstep X, and they had they ran a little special. So I was like, all right, let me hop on the special and get the 100K account. So I did that. And then I was like, I want to trade more pairs where the contract sizes aren't as big, so I have more opportunities to trade. And just in case I do lose a trade, I'm not gonna lie, I was losing trades. I'm not a scalper. I was losing trades. So I was like, I need to give myself more probabilities of being able to trade, you know? And Topstep X, the platform, it's not for me. Like, first of all, I don't know how to set alerts on it. I don't think you can set alerts on it. And I live by alerts. Like, I be on TradingView setting alerts all day, but I didn't have time to go back and forth all the time between TradingView and Topstep X. So I couldn't set alerts. That was a huge thing for me. A huge thing for me, not being able to set alerts. Also, on TradingView, you can have your watch list of whatnot of the different instruments you want to trade on one side, and you can easily just click through each instrument, and the chart that corresponds with that instrument will pop up, and you can place your trade there. Topstep X, you can't do that. You know, you have to make sure, your DOM or whatever, matches up, and it's just too much. I didn't like all that. So yeah, Topstep X wasn't for me. And then, like, with that, like, when it came for me to do the rebuild, I paid for the rebuild. I actually stopped trading on the account and paid for the rebuild. And I asked them, can I switch back to, like, TradingView? Can't do that. Not allowed to do that. So that was a bit frustrating, not gonna lie. So right now, I still have an active 100K account, you know, with the Topstep X platform. I'm not trading X. I'm done. And I also have multiple free resets on my account as well. And that's another thing. Man. I've been seeing Topstep have issues, like internal issues, that it's like PTSD. It's like real deal PTSD. It reminds me of when, like, my forest funds went down, our funding talent went down, when they started having those internal issues, and, like, you pay for your live account or whatnot, and you can't get your credentials because something is happening, or you can't close a trade, or you can't open a trade, or something is happening. Like, Topstep has been having those issues, and it's just making me feel like it's happening, because it's a pattern. In this trading community and with prop firms, what happens is a company shuts down, and then everybody floods the next big thing, you know? So FTMO shut down, so I'm pretty sure majority of American traders went to futures, and a big platform or prop firm with futures is Topstep. So I feel like Topstep got flooded with all of these American traders, and they can't keep up. They cannot keep up. And I feel like that same thing happened with my forest funds and funding talent. I feel like the same thing happened to those two, and they couldn't keep up, and also they were scamming. You know what I'm saying? They're scamming. That's why I'm so done with prop firms. Like, it's ridiculous. And then as all this these SEC cases come out, you see what these prop firms have been doing. It's like, why am I wasting my time? Like, I could be trading my own personal live account. Yes, I will have to start at the very bottom and build my account. It's going to be a long game. It's going to be a marathon. You know, I'm not going to be able to throw 10K in an account. You feel me? Probably wouldn't be able to throw a 1K in the account at this point right now. But, you know, that's actually the plan right now, is to go on Oanda and start with a small live account and just build it up. Like I said, all the money I put into these prop firms, when it comes to challenges or resets, or even money that I was supposed to have been getting paid out from prop firms that I've closed down, I could have easily had a 10K account, live account, with my own money, trading it, regulated. Like, I'm not messing with nothing no more. Regulated, you know, like all these gurus still, like, they can't promote prop firms to US traders. Or some gurus out here are still promoting prop firms, but not to U.S. traders. And then you have some that are promoting brokers, but they're not regulated. Just cut all that out, man. Cut all that out. Like, if you want to be a trader and you want to be a trader, you're not trying to just flip some money and get rich quick. Cut all that nonsense out. Cut all that BS out, man. Go to a regulated broker and start small and start building up your account. Like right now, I feel like I got to go back to a demo account. Like, real talk. Because I had just mastered my swing trading strategy. But all this dumb crap with trying to scalp on futures, I feel like that has made me have to like start over, you know? And before I jump into trading my own money, I got to make sure I build my strategy back up and get that edge that I had with my own strategy. And that sucks. That sucks to spend so, like, I'm not gonna lie, I've only been trading for 4 years. But it sucks to spend 4 years trading and finally figure out a strategy and gotta throw it away once you figure it out, once it starts working for you. Like, yo, like, Fun and Talent owes me probably like, what, $3,000-$4,000? My Forex funds owe me like $2,000 or $3,000. And then with my Forex funds, I had a live account that I was up a few $1,000s on there. FTMO had a live account, and I was up a few $1,000s. I had 2 live accounts on FTMO. One of them up a few thousand, one of them up like only like $200 or something like that. Like, man, to finally figure something out and have it finally start working for you, then you have to start over. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not doing that. Like, I love trading. I plan to trade like for the rest of my life, you know, and still build businesses and everything around that. But I plan to trade for the rest of my life, and I'm not going to let these prop firms keep messing with me. You know, it sounds crazy, but I'm not going to let these prop firms keep making me have to start over. I'm not going to play these games with them. Like, I'm done with the prop firms. I'm about to just get my own live account and start there. So, yeah, that's why no more futures for me. No more Topstep for me. No more Topstep X. Like, I'm playing a long game. And I'll probably document it on here as well. I just got to figure everything out, you know. But I do want to use Olanda. But I want to just figure everything out, make sure everything's good. So I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Put in the comments, you know, how your journey with futures, your journey if you want to switch over, and tell me what you think, man. Appreciate y'all.